and current affairs for the UPSC prelims examination 2027. We'll be starting in a minute. Let everyone join. So we have quite an important topic today, okay, in our session, which we'll be discussing. Guys, can you hear me? Okay, so we have people joining in. Okay, so let us start with our discussion, guys. The very first topic which I will be taking for discussion today is Asiatic lion. Guys, today there is a very important editorial in the Hindu newspaper about a second home to Asiatic lion. Okay, so guys, you know UPSC has a habit of asking questions on species, and you know Asiatic lions are one of the most important species we have in India. Okay, what is peculiar about Asiatic lion is that in the entire world, it is only found in India in the wild. Okay, so in the wild, if you want to see Asiatic lion, you can only see in India. Okay, so this is really very interesting fact which can be used to frame questions in the prelims examination. Okay, so which country is the only population of Asiatic lion in the wild? What will be the answer to this question? Which country is the only home to Asiatic lion in the wild? Which country? Can anybody tell me the answer? If suppose there is a statement, okay, India is the country. India is that country. And within India, you know, guys, there is only one habitat where we have this Asiatic lion, and that habitat is the Gir landscape. That habitat is the Gir landscape. So within India, where do we have Asiatic lion? Within India, we have Asiatic lion only in the Gir. Only in the Gir in Gujarat, we have Asiatic lion. So this is a really very important topic. Guys, you know, Government of India has decided to have a second home of Asiatic lion. And this second home of Asiatic lion, where Government of India has decided to shift some of the lions from Gir, is Barda Wildlife Sanctuary. Barda Wildlife Sanctuary. BARDA. Barda Wildlife Sanctuary. Guys, so from the Gir, we are shifting it to Barda. Okay, so Gir is the only landscape where we have Asiatic lion right now, and from Gir we will be shifting to Barda. 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 Okay, very. Archana Mishra, very good. Omji Mishra, Archana Mishra. Mishras are doing very good. Superb. Answering correctly. Yes, Barda in Gujarat. Superb. Okay, now I am going to ask you a very interesting question. Let me see how many of you can answer it. Okay, so tell me that what is the IUCN status of Asiatic lion? Can anybody tell me? What is the IUCN status of Asiatic lion? Can anybody tell me? Let me see how many of you. Yes, Cherry Blossom has answered. Very good. Vulnerable, Anga Pillai. Ranjit Manju. Very good. Vulnerable is the Satya Prakash. Very good, Satya Prakash. Okay, Prem Valle is also answering. Very good. Vulnerable. Okay, that is the correct answer. Guys. You know, recently IUCN has come out with a green status on Asiatic lion. What is green status? Guys, IUCN has a red list. And IUCN also has a green status report. What is green status report? Green status report is about what? It is about that whenever there is an improvement in the number, there is, okay, green status. Yes, it's like an upgradation. Very good. Cherry Blossom is answering. Superb. Very good, Cherry Blossom. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic. First topic is done, everyone. Okay. Next topic, guys, marine fishery. Guys, there is a detailed article on marine fishery. Although, guys, we have to study that article from the prelims point of view. So from the prelims point of view, when we study the fishery sector, can anybody tell me what is India's rank? What is India's rank in the fishery sector in the world? What is India's rank of the fishery sector in the world? Okay, Anga Pillai is the correct answer. Very good, Anga Pillai. Second position. Second position is the correct answer, guys. India produces 8%. India produces 8% of the fisheries of the world. Second is the right answer. Second is the right answer. Anga Pillai is the first one to answer. Very good, superb, Anga Pillai. Okay, sometimes UPSC is asking questions on such kind of facts or not. Okay, in economy question, UPSC is asking such kind of facts or not. Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. They are asking you or not that what is India's largest producer of this? India is the second largest producer of this. India is the third largest producer of this or not. It's a very favorite theme. So India is the second largest producer of fisheries. Okay, 8% of the global catch comes from India. 8% of the global catch comes from India. Okay, so guys, one more thing, in agriculture sector we have various allied sector. In agriculture sector we have various allied sector. In the allied sector, the contribution of the fishery sector is the highest. Contribution of the fishery sector is the highest. Very, very important. In agriculture sector, there are various allied sector. In the allied sector, the contribution of the fishery sector is the highest. Okay, fishery sector is the highest. Can you name the revolution which is associated with fishery? Can you name the agriculture revolution which is associated with fishery? Can anybody tell me? Yes, Prajwal. Prajwal has answered. Blue revolution. Blue revolution. Prajwal. Very good. Prajwal. Prajwal has answered. Blue revolution is the correct answer. Guys, I would like to request every one of you to please prepare all the agriculture revolution. Please prepare all the agriculture revolution. We have the blue revolution. We have the yellow revolution. We have the pink revolution. We have the red revolution. So please prepare all the agriculture revolutions, okay, in India. Okay, please, this is really important. A white revolution is what? Milk. White revolution, milk. Operation flood. Okay, milk, white revolution, guys. Okay, moving on, guys. There was another topic today that in the Gangetic Plains, guys, the milk yield of the cows and buffaloes are reducing. The milk yield of cows and buffaloes are reducing. Means the cows and buffaloes of the Indo-Gangetic plain, they are giving less milk. And the reason is the climate change. So here I would like to ask from you, can anybody tell me the 5 varieties of indigenous cows? Okay, can anybody tell me 5 varieties of indigenous cows? Can anybody tell me 5 varieties of indigenous cows? Let me see. Anyone has cow? Okay, Sindhi. Sindhi is one is saying Sindhi. Okay, what about, okay. Geer. Someone is saying Geer. Very good. Geer. Sahiwal. Geer is important. Geer is important, guys. Geer is important. Okay. You may expect a question on that. What are the varieties of cows? You can see, guys, Geer, Red Sindhi and Sahiwal. Geer, Red Sindhi and Sahiwal are the indigenous cattle breed of India. Guys, there are some cattle breeds in India which are drought animals, drought breed, not dairy breed, drought breed. In drought breed, we have Halikar, Khilairi. Okay. Then, guys, there is some exotic breeds. Can you name some exotic breeds of cow in India? Exotic breed. Can anybody tell me some exotic breeds of cow in India? Exotic. Jersey. Holstein Friesian. UPSC can ask you, guys. We have a dedicated mission, Rashtriya Gokul Mission. Rashtriya Gokul Mission for conservation of indigenous varieties. We have a Rashtriya Gokul Mission we have a Rashtriya Gokul mission. Okay, very important, very important. You know, guys, India is the world's largest milk producer. India is the world's largest milk producer. Do you know this? What is India's rank in the milk production? What is India's rank in the milk production? Largest. Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay, now guys, moving on to space. Moving on to space, guys, one of the Japanese space mission today in news. One of the Japanese space mission today in news is Hayabusa. Hayabusa 2. What is this mission all about? Can anybody tell me? Hayabusa 2. A Japanese space mission which is in news today. Hayabusa 2. What is Hayabusa 2? Hayabusa 2 is basically a mission to deflect, okay, asteroids. To deflect, okay, to deflect asteroids. Ranjita ma'am, very good. Ranjita, very good. Ranjita is answering. Very good, Ranjita. What is the mission of Hayabusa? Okay, to deflect asteroids. Okay, can you name one of the NASA mission? One of the NASA mission for the same type of objective. Can you name any NASA mission which has the same objective? Can you name a NASA mission which has the same objective? Can anybody tell me? Very important, guys. NASA mission which is having the same objective of deflecting the asteroids. DART mission. Write down. D-A-R-T, DART mission. D-A-R-T, DART mission. D-A-R-T, DART mission. D-A-R-T, DART mission. Okay. Moving on, guys. We have another topic from ISRO. Guys, ISRO has carried out a mission which is called SOLVE. SOLVE basically means suborbital launch vehicle for experiments. Suborbital launch vehicle for experiments. Okay. So this is an experiment which is carried out by ISRO. This is an experiment which is carried out by ISRO. Okay. This is an experiment which has been carried out by ISRO. It is basically a solid rocket test vehicle developed by ISRO to test the Gaganyaan crew module's parachute deceleration system. Okay, so guys, you know, Government of India has been working on Gaganyaan mission. Gaganyaan mission is India's first human space flight. Gaganyaan mission is India's first Gaganyaan mission is India's first okay, is this clear? Gaganyaan mission is India's first space mission. Is this clear? Very important. Okay. Can you tell me, guys, India will be the fourth nation. India will be the fourth nation to send humans into the space. Okay. So there is one mission called SOLVE, which is basically what? Solid motor based suborbital launch vehicle. When we bring this, okay, when we bring this, okay, when the astronauts will come back, okay, for them, we have this SOLVE. Another mission is also, guys, for, okay, for the people who are going to space. Okay, that name of that mission is, let me just tell you, Mission Mitra. Mission Mitra. What is Mission Mitra, guys? It is about human performance. Mission Mitra. Okay, so these humans, when they go to space, how they perform, how they adapt, how they perform, how they adapt. Okay, so this is also called Mission Mitra. Mission Mitra. Again, a very important topic. Okay, basically to study the astronauts who are going to the space. How do they behave? It's kind of a psychological study. Okay, so it's an important one. Okay, behavioral and physiological study on the astronauts. Mission Mitra can come next year, guys. Very important. Mission Mitra. It can come in next year prelims examination. Mission Mitra. Okay. So Gaganyaan mission. Okay, do prepare. It's really very important. Moving on, guys. Another topic today in news is the Houthi rebels. Guys, there has been some fighting going on in the Houthi rebels in the city of Hodeidah. It is a port city of Yemen. It is a port city on Yemen, okay, which is located on the Red Sea. Which is located on the Red Sea. Guys, you know, Houthis, which are backed by Iran, they have been attacking on the ships passing through the Red Sea. Particularly, guys, Bab el Mandeb. Bab el Mandeb. What is Bab el Mandeb? It connects the Red Sea with Gulf of Aden. What is Bab el Mandeb? Bab el Mandeb is under Yemen control. Bab el Mandeb is under the Houthis control, and Bab el Mandeb is a strait which connects the Red Sea. It is a strait which connects the Red Sea. It is a strait which connects the Red Sea with. It's a strait which connects the Red Sea with what? The Red Sea is connected to what? Can anybody tell me? Okay, the Gulf of Aden. Okay, so this is really very important. They may ask you which are the countries which are bordering the Red Sea. Red Sea can be a probable topic which can be asked in the prelims examination. Okay, so guys, these were some of the current affairs topics. Anybody has any issue? Okay, anybody has any issue, guys? They can ask. Any doubts you have? These were the current affairs topics for today for the prelims examination. Guys, here we are only discussing prelims related topics. If you want to discuss the mains part, I am taking a live session in my DPS session. Join my DPS sessions if you want to discuss the mains aspect. Okay. So guys, I hope you are doing the DPN daily. Please make use of this. This is really very, very important. Okay. Bye. Take care.